All right, another day at the office. I think it's part 17. You can see here are the rails for the solar panels. Turn around and give a better angle. This is the front of the house. So everyone that has these little micro boards on it, that's where a solar panel will be going. They're gonna get some on the back over here as well, the homeowner. Looks like 7 on this side, 2 on that side. So they get a couple over here. They're gonna get 2 over here. It's all based off of wherever the sun hits. So as you can see, super bright over here. So that's why they got the 2 extra panels over here. We're almost done. We're in Nassau County, New York today. Most of what we have to do here is gonna put the solar deck in there, run some wire through the roof. But other than that, we're panel ready. We're ready to put the panels down. We're not super high up, and the roof is not on a weird angle. That's why I feel so comfortable walking on it. Sun's out in the middle of winter time, so that's always good. So yeah, although there's about 31 panels coming up total, it shouldn't be too hard today.